Okay, so here are some final notes on wheels and their replacement. You can pull them off in any order, basically. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can't pull this one off first. So this one goes back in first, then this one, and then this one. That's the best way to do it. Now, what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to do something I should have done in the video where I was showing you how to replace the wheels. And I am convinced that that little piece that is in the bottom here comes down and is causing wear on the wheels. And once you know it's not going to come down. All right, good thing I didn't trim my fingernails. This little piece right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue and then I'm going to put it back up in there, and then I won't have to worry about it falling down again. So we're getting out some regular just gasket sealer right here. Focus. Yeah. Bear with me, this is a new tube. All right, so a little bit here. I don't figure it'll take much. All right, so I'm going to put it in and then let it dry first. And, well, dry enough. All right, so we're going to put it in, line it up this way, not that way, so that the bar comes through. Okay, so now we're going to put it in. And it's all the way up. And hopefully it'll never fall down again, because this thing has been driving me nuts. And you don't really notice it while you're on the MaxiClimber, but I notice it every time I change wheels. So here we go, and we'll come back when I'm putting on the wheels. Okay, welcome back. We've put the silicone in both caps back in, and I finally now I'm becoming an expert at taking these wheels off and putting them back on, and I notice something new each time. Well, this last time I decided, well, okay, I'm going to do what I'm showing you right now. But when you take the wheels off, what you want to do is loosen up all three of these screws at the same, bolts at the same time. Okay, my cat's going to serenade you while we're talking here. Okay, so you take all three off, and then you pull all the bolts out, 1, 2, 3, and then you can pull all the wheels out. Put this wheel in back, this wheel first, this wheel second, and then line these two up so that they're actually on the track, and then put the last wheel in. See how I'm lining up here? And then we put the last wheel in, and it'll go right in nice and easy. And my cat is supervising here. Then like that. And then you can just take all your nuts, put them back on. I'm just going to show you one side here. And it doesn't really matter what order you go in at this point. You just don't want to over tighten. Just tight enough to get the job done. Not over tight, because if you over tight, then the wheels aren't going to turn right. So, okay, we got the ratchet the right way. Okay, here we go. There's 1, 2, and 3. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and here's another video that you might want to watch in the future. I'm Bill Dube, and you have a great day. Stay COVID safe, and we'll catch you next time.